Hey guys, we received this music boxing machine for kids for test and try. It's a 2025 model, upgraded one, with a smart Bluetooth boxing machine with the boxing gloves. So it can be wall mounted as a music boxing target with a workout punching equipment. So you can see this comes in a nice box. So let me just take out everything in here. So this have this the gloves, the straps put on the wall mounted and then the sticking strap and then the machine itself. It have a Bluetooth audio link to customize music if you want to, and then it's a total like 13.9 inches or 13.3 inches in the width or the height, and then this have this channels. So this will take a minimum. This is the sheet that you can paste on the back if you want to, and then you stick on the surface, or you can put the Velcro for that. So it also gives the feedback. So you can see like this Velcro. So it goes on the back and then you can stick it or you can use the Velcro on the top of it. So this have a nice speaker thing. These are the supplied gloves. And the boxing machine is a pure soft material or the high quality sound thing. And also these gloves are nice. This is a complete set with the gloves and everything. I'm just wearing the gloves to show you the fit. So the glove fits really well. And then you can see like the comfortability and everything. So it's very nice fitting for the gloves. So I'm just start this machine. So this is a fun, like you can put it on the wall and then test it and try. I am just doing on the table just to show you the demo and the sound and everything. So you can punch the light hit thing where the lights are coming, and then it will just count the hits and the misses, and you can see like how this goes. So it's a very nice thing, and you have to hit in the middle portion so that your punch will be counted. So overall, it's a nice fun thing as a boxing practice or the boxing machine that you can use, and the gloves are also very helpful. You can also charge this, by using the cable, and then you can reuse it again and again. So very nice boxing machine thing.